Good afternoon, students. This is for class 8, chapter identities, exercise 2b, right? Now come to question number 1, first part. It is given you have to find out the value of 2a plus b whole square. Okay, always remember one formula, a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is given 2a plus b whole square. In the place of a, it is given 2a. In the place of b, it is given b. So put the solve it fast. 2a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab, so you will get 4a square plus b square plus 4ab, right? Now in the second question it is given a minus 2b whole square. So better put the formula a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the most important formula. So put the value a minus 2b whole square. It means a square plus b square. B, in the place of b it is given 2b, right? Minus 2a, a and b, 2b, right? So formula will be solution will be a square plus 4b square minus 4ab. Now come to fourth question. It is given 2a minus 1 upon a whole square. So we put the formula a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now put it fast. A square, 2a square plus b square 1a whole square minus 2ab 1a, right? A cancel out. So it is better 4a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2, right? Now come to the eighth question. 2x minus 1 upon 2x whole square. A minus b whole square. Formula will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2x 1 upon 2x, right? 2x will be cancelled out. But here 4x square 1 upon 4x square minus 2 is the solution. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Find the square of x plus 3y. How will you find out the square of x plus 3y? Simple beta. X plus 3y square you have to find out. Put the value a square plus b square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A is given x, b is given 3y. So beta x square plus 3y square plus 6xy. Clear? Now come to the here. A plus 5a whole square. A plus 1 upon 5a whole square. You have to find out the square now. So put the value a square plus b square plus 2a b 1 upon 5a, right beta? A will be cancelled out. So it is a square plus 1 upon 25a square plus 2 upon 5. Clear? Now come to the third question. Fifth question. It is given x minus 2y plus 1. It is given x minus 2y plus 1 and you have to find out the square. So beta x minus 2y plus 1. So one formula you have to learn it, that a plus b plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Beta a plus b plus c whole square states that, beta you have to learn this formula, right? Most important formula. The formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2a multiplied by b. 2bc. 2bc means this multiplied by this. Okay? Plus 2ca. 2ca means you have to multiply ca. Right? So it is given beta x minus 2y plus 1. We have to find out the square of x minus 2y plus 1. Right? So put the value here. In the place of a it is given x. In the place of b it is given minus 2y. Right? In the place of c it is given 1. So put the value a square. A square means x square. B square. B in the place of b it is better 2y square. C square 1 square. 2ab. 2ab means 2 multiplied by a is given x, b is given minus 2y, right? Plus 2bc. B is given minus 2y or c is given 1 plus 2ca. Beta c is given 1, a is given x. Solve it fast. x square minus 2y square means 4y square plus 1 minus 4 2 2 is 4 x y बेटा ठीक प्लस माइनस माइनस 2 2 is 4 4y प्लस का बेटा 2x clear. Now come to the seventh part. It is given 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1. Okay, simple. You have to find out the 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 का whole square beta. So put the value a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. 2x multiplied by 1 upon x. Okay, 2ab plus 2bc, b 1 upon x multiplied by 1 plus 2ca, right? So solve it fast. 2x square means 4x square, 1 upon x square means 1 upon x square plus 1 plus x will be cancelled out plus 4, right? Plus beta 2 upon x plus 4x, right? Now come to the 10th part. X plus 1 upon x minus 1. Same formula. X plus 1 upon x minus 1 square you have to find out. Put the same formula here. A in the place of a it is given x. In the place of b it is given 1 upon x. In the place of c it is given minus 1. So put the formula a plus b plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square. In the place of c it is given minus 1 square plus 2 ab. A is given x, b is given 1 upon x plus 2 bc. b is given 1 upon x, c is given minus 1 plus 2ca. c is given minus 1, a is given x. So it is beta x square 1 upon x square plus 1 plus x will be cancelled out, so it will be 2 plus minus 2 upon x. Beta here minus is given, so it will be minus 2x. Okay, it is also plus minus minus, it is also minus, right? Minus. Okay, now come to this question number 3, first part. It is given a plus b whole square. Expand using a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So you can write 208 as 200 plus 8. So it will be easy calculation. A plus b whole square. Okay, now put the formula. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. 200 plus 2ab, right? So it is better 1 2 3 4 plus 8 square beta 64. 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 3200. Just add it beta 43200 plus 64. So it will be beta 43264, right? Now come to this question. 450. You can write 400 plus 15 square. So beta put the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. Solve it first. 400 square means, right, 15 square means 225, right, plus 15 for the 60, 62 is a 120, or 2 zeros are already there, right? So but I just added 1 2 000, 1 2 000. So 172 3 plus 225. So the answer will be 172225. Okay. Now come to the next question. Do this question by your own. Okay. It will be beta what? 10 minus 0.6 whole square. Okay. 10 minus 0.6 whole square. You have to put the formula a minus b whole square and then solve it. Now beta expand 2a plus b whole cube. Always remember one formula. Always remember one formula, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube. What is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket beta a plus b. This is the formula. Always remember cube formula. A plus b whole cube. What is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. Right? A cube plus b, a plus b cube formula beta a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. Now let's solve it first. It is given what? 2a plus b whole cube. A cube means in the place of a it is given 2a. 2a cube plus b cube b plus 3a 2a plus b multiply by b in the bracket 2a plus b beta. Right? Now let's solve it first. 2a cube means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8a cube b cube plus 3 to the 6 ab then 2a plus b. Okay, 8a cube plus b cube, but just multiply 6ab multiplied 2a. What you get? 6 2s are 12. A multiplied by a square, then b is left, plus 6ab multiplied by b. What will you get? 6ab square. Clear? Now come to the third question. A minus b whole cube. What is the formula? A minus b whole cube. It is beta a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and the bracket a minus b. It is the most important formula of a minus b whole cube. You have to learn this formula. Put the value beta, it is given 3x minus 2y whole cube. So beta it will be a cube. 3x whole cube minus b cube 2y cube minus 3ab beta. In the place of a it is given 3x, in the place of b it is given 2y, and a minus b 3x minus 2y. Right? Now put the solid first. 3x cube means 3 is 9, 9 here 27x cube. 2y cube means 8y cube. Okay? 3 is 9, 9 here 27 and with minus sign 27xy. 3 is 9, 9 to the 18 beta 18xy. Right? 3 is 9, 9 to the 18, and here in the bracket it is given 18xy in the bracket 3x minus 2y. Let's solve it. 27x cube minus 8y cube, then beta 18xy multiplied by 3x beta. What will you get? 8 3 is 24, 54x square y minus 18xy multiplied by minus 2y plus 36, 18 to the 36 xy square. Clear? Now come to the next question. A plus 1 upon a cube. Okay, let's solve it first. A plus b whole cube. Put the value a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. A multiplied by then a plus b. Right? So beta it will be a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus a will be cancelled out. It is 3. A plus 1 upon a. So what it is a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3a plus 3 upon a. Right? This is the solution. Now come to next question. Question number 5. Find the cube of a plus 2. How will you find the cube? A plus 2 whole cube. Simple. Put the formula a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Then in the bracket a plus b. A plus 2. Right? Solve it first. A cube beta 2 cube means 8. 3 to the 6a beta or a plus 2. A cube plus 8 plus 6a multiplied by a means 6a square. 6a multiplied by 2 means 12a. Right? Now come to the next question. 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b whole cube, right? Cube. So put the value 2a cube plus b cube. B is given 3b. 3b cube plus 3ab in the place of a 2a b 3b. Then a plus b 2a plus 3b, right? Solve it fast. 2a cube means 8a cube. 3b cube means 3 3 9 9 27b cube plus 3 3 9 9 2 18ab, right? Then 2a plus 3b. Simple. 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 18ab multiplied by 2a. 18 to the 36 a square b plus 18 to the 54 ab square, right? This is the answer. Now come to the fifth part. It is given 3a minus 2a. Just find out the value. 3a minus 2a cube. A minus b whole cube. A cube minus a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab, right? Then a minus b. 3a minus 2a. 3a minus 2a, right? Now just solve it. 3a cube means 27a cube. 2a cube means 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8a cube. 3 to the 9 to the 18a square. 3a minus 2a beta. You can write a here. Okay, then you will get 27a cube minus 8a cube minus beta 18a cube. Just solve it beta. 27a cube, 8a cube, 18a cube. All are in the a cube now. So solve it fast. So it will be beta 27a cube minus 8 minus 18 minus 8a cube minus 18a cube. What will you get? Minus 26a cube. So the answer will be a cube. 27a cube minus 26a cube. You will get a cube, right? Now come to x minus 2. X minus 1 upon 2 whole cube. X minus 1 upon 2. X minus 1 upon 2 whole cube. A cube plus minus 1 upon 2 cube plus minus 3ab. Then a minus b. X minus 1 upon 2, right? Then solve the equation. X cube minus 1 upon 8 minus 3 upon 2 x beta. X minus 1 upon 2. Let's solve it first. X cube minus 1 upon 8 minus 3 upon 2 x square plus 3 upon 4, right? इसका मल्टीप्लाई इसके साथ माइनस साइन है तो माइनस विल बी हियर. माइनस 3 upon 2x multiplied with minus 1 upon 2 you will get plus 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4x. Okay, this is the solution.